Well, 4 o'clock, Friday, April 16th. Headed down the hill at the neighbor's place. Gonna fish upstream a little further than I have been. See if there's still some white bass here. It's been cold the last couple of days. I don't know what to expect, but I expect I'll have fun. We'll start with this rooster tail in green and pink, or chartreuse and pink. Water's up a little from what I normally fish in this spot, but who knows? It is down lower than it was last weekend when I was catching so many of them. Oh, I screwed that up. It felt fishy, but I can't prove anything. That is definitely a fish, and a big one. Better loosen the drag a little. Honestly, it feels like a catfish almost. The way it's tugging and staying down. Come on, out of the roots, out of the roots, out of the roots. Nope. I'm just gonna kind of pull him up on the shore. Holy crap. I'll clean him off. But that's 12. That is a 14, almost 15-inch smallmouth bass. And, oh well. Wanted to clean him up and get another picture, but he had better ideas. I am going to try and stay out of the water today as much as possible. Water temperature today is in the 50s instead of being in the 60s like it was last weekend. So much for staying out of the water today. I wasn't about to lose that to a snag, so went in after it. Didn't even get up to my knees, but water is cold. Come on, buddy. He had 2 of the 3 hooks sunk, so I could have probably grabbed him earlier. That's a 14-inch smallmouth. terrible. There. Hey, we're back on white bass. Haven't caught one of these since Saturday. And I know the bottom up there is very flat, just the occasional rock. So I know how slow I can go without snagging it. Or at least I think I know. I really haven't been counting, but I like it. Again, a little overzealous on the hook set. Sportsman's release. He's hanging out by my boot trying to figure out what just happened. I don't know, I went to eat this little fish and then found myself halfway across the river. And now I got this piercing in my lip. I'd say that's a smallmouth. Step back into this 55-degree water. And that one is right at 12 inches. Chunky though, really thick.